So good day guys, this is your boy Chibuzo and welcome to Login for Tech channel. This is just a quick video, it should be shortest enough. I'm actually introducing you to something I come across and I feel let me share it with you. It's actually what I'm talking about is Mara Wallet. Yes, Mara Wallet is having a pre-launch and they're coming to Nigeria in no distant time. So if you're in Nigeria, this is good news for you, and this is just a way for you to earn free, and there's an opportunity ongoing for you to earn free money by doing this absolutely nothing. What you need to do is just download the Mara Wallet, sign up to the platform, and you'll be entitled to $2 for free. Practically, and let me show you. Like I said, I just come across it, so I feel let me share this with you because this video is unplanned for. I didn't plan for this video, so it's just a quick video. So this is what the app looks like. I hope this video will catch it enough. Yeah. Oh, the camera is a little bit blurry. I'm actually slanting my phone, so that's the app. So let me tap on the app for us to see what I'm talking about. So Mara, I've tapped on the app. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what this looks like, and it's actually loading. Once it loads, I will show you what I'm talking about. So it's loading. As you can see, I just joined the platform, and this is the amount I've earned at the moment: $3. By doing absolutely nothing, by registering on the platform and inviting my friends. And you can actually do that today. So like I said, I'm just actually welcoming you to this platform. And I didn't prepare for this video. I'm actually lying down while shooting this video, as you can see. So Mara Wallet, you can join it, and they're actually on pre-launch. But in the description of this video, if you want to know more about the wallet, if you want to know about the pre-launch and what they do, what Mara is all about, I'll place a link to my blog post where I will write let me say extensively about Mara Wallet for you to go and read and know about them. So I'll place a link in the description of this blog post, but this is just a short video introducing you to Mara Wallet for you to go and start making that free $2 for doing nothing. Yes, if you register for the platform at first, you get $2 for free, and also once you carry out referrals, referring your friends, your families, your neighbors, your colleagues, even your enemies, you start making more money. Yes, I actually referred a friend of mine. That's why I got $3. Initially when I registered, it was just $2. I have one referral, as you can see. Oh, I hope you can see properly. So I have one referral, and that's how it amounts to $3. So I said, let me show you this video. I just downloaded the app right now. So if you want to download this app, if you want to get access to this, you must actually pass through a referral link before you be entitled to the $2. So in the description of this video, I'll also be placing a link whereby you follow. It will take you to Google Play Store, Apple Store for you to download the app, register on the platform. All it takes is just your email address and your phone number, because they have to call your phone for verification. They'll have to call your phone number. You have to verify your email and your phone number. That's all. So automatically you'll be welcome to the platform. The pre-launch is on, but in other African countries or maybe in any part of the world, you can also follow the link in the description of this video to take you to the Mara platform for you to download the app and register on it and start trading cryptocurrency. I've talked much about Luno, and I feel this should be a big competition for Luno, yes, in Nigeria. I've actually checked a little bit of the app, and I see, yes, it is worth it. Yes, it is worth it. I've talked much about Luno in this channel. You can go to my previous videos and learn about Luno. I've talked much about Binance. I've also talked briefly about KuCoin. So this is my cryptocurrency section, and you're welcome. So like I said from the start, Chibuzo is my name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So follow the link in the description of this video. Download the Mara Wallet app, register your email and your phone through confirmatory, and you get $2 for free. So if you get that $2, I would like you to come back to this video and say, yes, I got this $2, so that people will know that it is real. It is real, and it is real. Just come back to this video and say, yes, I got the $2, and I promise you something. Just come back and do that as a confirmatory for other people to watch. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, you can indulge on you to hit that red rectangular button that has the inscription subscribe below this video that you're watching, and also turn on the notification so that I can notify whenever I release another important video just like this. This is an impromptu video, and just sharing this good news for you. So if you've done that, give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm to push it for other people to see just like you. So always come back to, yes, give a testimony that it is true. It is true. So we've come to the end of this video, and I will also give you subsequent videos concerning Mara Wallet once I get or lay my hands on any information pertaining to them. So we've come to the end of this video. Chibuzo is my name. Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. Subscribe, become part of this channel. So we'll see my next video once you've done that. Bye bye for now.